In the heart of Cambodia lies a hidden gem, a place where time seems to slow down and the world outside fades into a distant memory. Kompong Cham province, with its sprawling countryside, is a tapestry of lush green fields, winding rivers, and vibrant communities that pulse with life. Imagine standing on a gentle hill, the sun casting a golden hue over the landscape, illuminating the rice paddies that stretch as far as the eye can see. The air is thick with the scent of earth and growth, a reminder of the hard work that goes into every grain of rice, every fruit that hangs heavy on the trees. As you wander through the narrow dirt paths that weave between the fields, you can hear the soft rustle of leaves in the breeze, the distant call of birds, and the laughter of children playing nearby. They chase each other, their bare feet kicking up dust, their joy infectious. This is a place where life is simple yet profound, where the rhythm of the day is dictated by the sun and the seasons. Farmers rise with the dawn, their silhouettes framed against the rising sun, working tirelessly to cultivate the land that has sustained generations. The rivers that snake through Kompong Cham are lifelines, not just for irrigation, but for the very culture of the people. Fishermen cast their nets, their boats gliding silently over the water, a dance as old as time. The riverbanks are dotted with families, gathering to share meals, stories, and laughter. It's a scene that feels timeless, a reminder of the bonds that tie us to the land and to each other. The water reflects the sky, a mirror of the changing hues of day, from the soft pastels of dawn to the fiery oranges of sunset. As you delve deeper into the countryside, you encounter small villages, each with its own character and charm. The houses, often made of bamboo and thatch, stand proudly amidst the greenery, adorned with colorful flowers that bloom in abundance. The villagers greet you with warm smiles, their hospitality as rich as the soil they till. You can hear the rhythmic sound of traditional music drifting through the air, a celebration of life and heritage that resonates in every corner of this province. In Kompong Cham, the traditions run deep. Festivals are vibrant spectacles, where the community comes together to honor their ancestors, to celebrate the harvest, and to share in the bounty of the land. The streets come alive with the sounds of drums and gongs, the colors of traditional dress swirling in a joyful dance. It's a reminder that amidst the simplicity of rural life, there is a profound richness in culture and connection. As the day winds down, the sky transforms into a canvas of colors, the sun dipping below the horizon, casting long shadows over the fields. The air cools, and the sounds of the day give way to the gentle chorus of crickets and frogs. Families gather around their homes, sharing stories and laughter, the flickering light of lanterns illuminating their faces. It's a moment of peace, a reminder of the beauty that exists in the quiet corners of the world. Kompong Cham province is not just a place, it's a feeling, an experience that lingers long after you leave. It's the warmth of the sun on your skin, the taste of fresh fruit plucked from the tree, the sound of laughter echoing through the fields. It's a reminder of the simple joys of life, the beauty of nature, and the strength of community. In this corner of Cambodia, the countryside tells a story of resilience, of connection to the land, and of a way of life that is both timeless and precious. As you leave, you carry with you the essence of Kompong Cham, a piece of its heart forever etched in your memory.